Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do this unboxing of the Chanel Beauty that I recently got. So this just came from the mail today, and the reason why I got this because I am so fascinated of the cosmetic velvet pouch that came with this gift set, and let's open it together. And by the way, it came with this receipt. I decided to make this an unboxing because if you're interested, this is still available at chanel.com, and I got this for $120 US, and the shipment is free, and it came with this return label. So let's go ahead and open this beauty box, and this is it. So I love the box that came with it. So this is a white Chanel thick box, and inside is this, and it has like a Chanel sticker in here, and this is really packed well, guys. And this tissue paper also has Chanel etched to it. So this is what it looks like. It is so pretty, and it came with this pouch so you can select if you want a perfume or you want a Chanel Beauty samples, and I chose this perfume samples of number 5, and the other one is Gabrielle. And this is the box. I am so excited. So the box is also beautifully made, and inside is this very cute and nice looking velvet pouch that made me so obsessed. That's why I got it. And this is so pretty, guys. It's very rich, and I love this zipper. Very pretty in brushed gold hardware, and this has glitter around the zipper. Let's open it, and it looks like this inside. So I got the gift set with the nail polish, the lipstick, and the hand cream, and this one is the hand cream. It says Chanel here, and it has a little emboss to it, and this is what it looks like. So you just have to push it. Let's smell it, guys. It has like a warm, soft smell to it, and it's just so soft on the hands. I've tried this before at the beauty counter, and it's really soft. Make your hands feel so soft. And this is what it is for the first item. And the second item is this. It's nice if it's a holiday because Chanel always come up with this beautiful gift box. And this is the red, or kind of like deep red, nail polish. And let's see. Looks like, oh, so it looks like it has 2 covers. And it looks like this. So it's like a deep burgundy red color. And the next one is, I'm so excited with this lipstick, guys, as I know Chanel make really good red lipstick. And to open it, you just have to push it, and it will open like this. And this is like a deep red that matches the nail polish. So I also have a red lipstick that I got before, and let's compare it together. So I have it in here, and I'll get this red lipstick from Chanel, which I really love. Like, it stays on your lips and it doesn't dry my lips as well. So this is actually my first red lipstick, and it makes me really appreciate red lipstick because of this one, and it's the same as this one. You just have to push it out and it will go out. So let's compare both together. So it looks like this, and this one is like it's like similar, right? This is like a deeper red color. So if you get the chance to get a Chanel lipstick, it really glides well on the lips. I like this better than the hydrating ones that it's like a lip balm, because I have one of those too, and I think this is it. It's like a lip balm, but it doesn't stay on the lips, unlike with this one. And this one is not the one that you have to push it out. You just have to cover it like this. I like this one that you can just push it for easy access. So I wish this one stays up to here so you can fill it up, but since this is open only up to here, I don't think you can really fill it much with small stuff. But let's try to see if it will, you know, that if it won't spill. So I wish it will stay close to this, or if it has two zipper, at least you can just put the other one here and other one here, so you can just open the top. But it only have one zipper, so maybe if you fill it with small stuff, you just have to open it, not all the way, but only up to here, so you cannot spill the rest of it on the other side. Get what I mean? So you just have to maintain it through this. So let's fill it up, guys, so you'll see what can fit in here. So I already have this hand cream, lipstick, and this nail polish as a gift set that goes with this cosmetic pouch. And then let's try to put here, let's compare it with this. So this is my mini pochette, Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and it's bigger than the mini pochette. And at the sides, it looks like this. So let's try to put stuff from my mini pochette up to here with this. But you know what, guys, let me try to put this mini pochette inside so it fits my mini pochette. Okay, so now we know that it fits my mini pochette. So let's try to put stuff with this inside. So my mini pochette has this facial spray from Mario Badisco skincare, so I'll put it inside. I have my AirPod, and then I have this hand sanitizer, and I have this brow pencil, this MAC lip liner, and then this MAC red lipstick. So this is also like a darker shade of lipstick that I got this Christmas. So let's put it on, and it still has space. It looks like this inside, guys, and you can still fit more. So let's close it. This. Then you open it up and it looks like this. So yeah, even if you fill it, it looks like it will stay in place here. You just don't have to fit it more with little stuff in here as it might. Okay, let's try. We're gonna fit 4 more lipstick and see. Let's close it. This, it really fits a lot, guys, and yeah, it looks like this inside. So just be careful that when you fill it with small stuff on top, like you have to really maintain it on a standing position, or else it will be spilling from the side here. So it really fits a lot. So it's nice that we'll be able to use this as our cosmetic pouch, as this is really a beautiful cosmetic pouch from Chanel Beauty, and it has really a nice feel to it. So I'm happy with this purchase, and you can still get this, guys, online or on department stores that carry this. So this is all that it has for 120 US dollars. And you have this nice cosmetic pouch, and this cosmetic pouch, by the way, is wipeable. It has a wipeable material to it, and I really love this zipper. So it has a CC logo front and then back, and it is really in a nice brush cooled hardware. So for $120 you will get all of these, and for the cosmetic pouch alone, it is already a winner. So let me know, guys, if you also have this and if you are enjoying your cosmetic pouch from Chanel Beauty. And thank you guys for watching. May all of you have a wonderful day. Please do like this video if you like it, and I will appreciate if you will subscribe as well. And for those returning subscribers, thank you very much, and may all of you have a wonderful day and enjoy your holidays. Bye! Till next time!